Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss my videos. And today I want to share with you something that I made for my mom. It's a recipe book and I think this would be great for Mother's Day's presents, and also you can use this to make them to sell at your craft fairs. I just wanted to let you know also this is a little time consuming, so you may not want to do it for your craft fair, but if you actually create a system of mass producing and you cut your pieces all first and then add the adhesive to all of them and then just put them together, you will be able to mass produce them in less time, and they are actually super cute and they're very useful. So I think this would be something that would do good at your craft fairs also. So let me show you what I did. I actually used this girl from the Hobby Lobby Happy Girls collection. I bought these recipe cards from that collection, but they were too big to fit on my plastic covers, the vinyl covers that I showed you before that I used on my writing tablets. I wanted to use them for this because I actually want to make something that is useful and it's going to be durable. So I want to use my covers also. And I was going to order the larger ones, but I didn't really have time to do that and I wanted to get this done. So what I did here is I just fussy cut the girl out and this recipe word here to decorate my little recipe book. And I used paper from an old collection from Amy Tangerine. And then this is how it looks. You can see here I use the cover landscape instead of doing it portrait. I use a recipe card stamp from Bo Bunny, and it was a large stamp and I also like it so you can write more on this. So my mom, she's just crazy about cooking. I don't know about your moms, but my mom, I mean, you have a hard time getting her out of the kitchen. I am the total opposite. I had no clue about cooking. Cooking to me is like rocket science. I've never been able to figure it out. It's just not something that I'm good at. But my mom loves it, so I wanted to make something for her this Mother's Day. And I just decided to do this. So this is how it looks inside. And you can see here I stamped the recipe cards. I stamped them all because I wanted to make something handmade for her. And I added here this decorations, this whiskers from another stamp set from Bo Bunny. And then I added here this little pot also. And I think this turned out super adorable. It's that consuming if you want to do it that way. But if you want to do this for craft fairs, you can try to find recipe cards that are already made. And then you would have them go in a breeze. So this is how it looks inside, and it has actually 10 pages and it has room for 20 recipes. And I like it because it's really sturdy. You can see the pages are really sturdy, and one thing I've noticed from being in the kitchen with my mom sometimes is like recipe books, they get handled a lot in the kitchen and sometimes they need to be durable because they stamp a lot of abuse sometimes. So I wanted to make something that was really sturdy, and this is sturdy enough so it would last longer. She would be able to use this longer, and she can actually put this in her purse and bring it with her somewhere. And also the way it's made, it also allows for easy slipping of the pages, so you don't have them all bundle up together and being hard for you to see their recipes. And this is something that is helpful when you're in the kitchen and you're trying to find a recipe and look at it while you cook, I believe. Don't believe me though, I'm not good at it. I also wanted to do it so it had pockets on the sides. So each page has pockets, and the reason I did this is because I want to make a grocery list. So I'm going to do it on the computer. I haven't had time to do it yet, but I wanted to show you my little book in case you can use them as ideas for your craft fairs or for Mother's Day. So I'm going to design a grocery list, and my idea is to place them inside the pockets. And then one thing I've never figured out is when you are trying to put together a recipe, then you have to write down the ingredients every time you go to the grocery store. So to me, it's so time consuming, and that is one of the things that I really don't care much about cooking. I don't have the patience for it, which is crazy because if you think about crafting, it takes a lot of patience, at least for me, because I'm not a fast crafter. But I wanted to have it so it's more practical, so you can write the recipe and then you can write the ingredients on your grocery card and then place it inside the pocket. So every time you just want to make a recipe, you just swipe around and decide, I want to make this one today. So I just grab the little grocery list and bring it with me to the grocery store, and I don't have to write it down over and over again. And once I'm done, I just bring it back and place it in here. So each pocket would have 2 grocery lists, so they would match each recipe. And I think this is a super cute present for my mom, and honestly what I like about it the most, and I think she's going to love it the most too, is because I made it. So it's handmade, and it's something that was made with a lot of love for her. So I wanted to give you the idea just in case it was something that you wanted to try, and let me know down below if it's something that you like, and if you would like it, then I would make a tutorial for you. And again, I wanted to make sure that you understand, if you want to do it for your craft first, it's a little bit of work. It's not as easy as 1, 2, 3 and then you just have it set. But it's something that is quality, and I think people would like to buy this for their moms and for themselves. So, and to gift to other people. And it's very durable because it has that vinyl cover and it's really sturdy inside. So this is something that it's very practical, and I think people will like it. So let me know on the comment section below if it's something that you would like me to do a tutorial for. And also let me know how you like it. And I wanted to ask you to let me know down below if you cook and if you're good at it, and like if you have nice recipes that you don't give away. And I hope you guys are doing great, having an awesome weekend. And welcome to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing to my channel, and I hope you find a lot of inspiration here. And thank you so much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for all your love, your support. I hope you're doing great, and I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.